What's that, Ray?
We're opening my piggy bank.
Oh, really? You have a piggy bank? Come on, help Daddy to open it up.
I'll help you. Masugat ako.
Pause mo muna, love. Ayan na, Ray!
Dog.
Oh, we will count it.
Yay!
Wow!
How many of this money?
We'll count it.
Kulang yata, anak. May money naman.
Ay, apo.
Count with Daddy, 50.
200.
Ori.
250. Uy, meron pa isang daan. Uy, dami na pala, Ori. 1, 2, 3,
60.
And you have
70.
full coin.
70 plus 20 is?
Yes. 720.
Uy, dami ng money si Ori pala, oh.
Ipa-count mo.
Ori, will count. Come on. Count. Let's count your money for field trip.
Wait for me.
Oh, count.
Slowly, love.
100,
100.
200, 300, 400, 500.
350. 400.
Or here, or here, or here, or here, or
410. Count ka na, ah.
Count na.
411,
20.
20, 430, 440,
By tens yan, anak.
450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500, 17.
505.
Hindi naman niya alam
Yes.
yun eh.
Very
5.
good. Yay, you have money na.
And how about the coins again?
It's
Okay, finish na. What should we do here? With
What
the
should we
money?
do with your money?
Pay what?
We pay for the ticket.
Oh, you have no money na.
Ay, apo.
Then, what
Can I
will you
just
do?
Take one coin and put it to the doina.
Yes.
Great.
After that, Ori,
This is the doina. Can I just also do with the other coin?
bye!
Some of them are